Then the third step is working with the yantra. Now, yantra is another device, a gift from the yogis. The mind is unreliable because it won't stay on one particular thought stream. If it does stay in Shreem Brzee, then there will be tremendous impact on what happens in your life with regard to money. But the mind is a monkey. It goes on moving. So what are you going to do? You are going to get this energy into a copper plate. There is and put some geometrical symbols there. And these symbols is a personification, is a device which is a personification of Shreem Brzee. Shreem Brzee stays with you all the time and stays in this yantra. So keeping this yantra, here is an yantra of Shreem Brzee here, and you have all these symbols here, which you can take a look at later on. And in the course, we will talk more about how that yantra works and how you can relate to it, what you do with it, and how to energize it. All these things will be given during this program. And that is called the working with the yantra.